Welcome back to our channel. My name's Adil and today's video is all about this, a Focus RS, but we're mostly talking about securing the vehicle. Obviously an incredible car and very prone to being stolen. So today's video is all about a vehicle tracking system from Vodafone Automotive that we've added onto the car. This is really important and you take security very seriously because vehicles are being stolen at a massively increased rate at the moment. That's mostly down to keyless entry. So today we're talking about a tracking system, plus later on we've got a little discount code for a little product that's really useful, so stay tuned for that. Firstly, the tracking system. What actually is it? Basically the main thing it has is this little tag, so you get two of them in the kit. Basically you keep this on your keys or separate, and what happens is if this vehicle is started without this tag present, so even if someone has the factory key, but someone does it, if this tag is not in the car when that vehicle is started, you'll be notified on a push notification on an app or phone call or text message. So you know that your vehicle is being stolen, you can report that directly to the police, and then Vodafone directly contact the police as well and liaise to get your vehicle recovered. Recovery time generally is about 30 minutes, so really quick. Plus the app's really cool as well. You can actually see everything, where your car is, set speeding alerts, set geofencing, loads of stuff all live on the app. It's called My Connected Car. You can download it right now, try a little demo version which is quite nice. You can see exactly what you're going to be getting on the app before you purchase, but all our work gets done in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. But the tag is really cool. The app is also really important, a nice little feature. I have this on one of my cars and I love that I can just jump in, or wherever I am in the world, I can jump in, see exactly where my car is directly from my app, and also set speeding alerts, geofencing, you name it, it's all on there. Everything you could possibly need, plus see past driving data as well as previous journeys. But yeah, that's a bit of an overview of the tracking system. Now time to show you something called theft block. So one of the big problems with keyless entry cars like this one, so I've got the factory key here, I'm gonna lock the car, and obviously away it goes, it's locked. There is a massive increase in vehicle theft for basically something called key cloning, where you might have seen videos of it online, where they come up to your house with a little box, go up to your window, and then they've got another guy sat near your car, hovering another box near your car, and basically it's called a key cloning. So they basically take your keys information, your car is constantly looking for this key, they basically mimic that, extend that range, and it opens your car. So if you've got keyless entry like this, where you just basically have the key in proximity and the car just opens without actually pressing the unlock button, this little box is really important. So I have one of these at my house as well. I know that I can go home and have my vehicle protected as another layer of protection, where all I do is put the key inside the box and leave it at home. They're nice looking boxes, they do different colours, black, blue, grey, you name it. They've got loads of different colours which look really nice to suit your interior of your house. You keep the key locked away in here overnight, and look, it doesn't matter what happens, however close I get, and obviously if that's in your house, that vehicle is now protected from someone getting in. Then you've got your tracking system or your ghost immobilizer that we added onto the car, protecting the car in case of an emergency later on outside, away from your home, when you're not protected by theft block. So these are incredible bits of kit. We've actually got a discount code which is CBS10, which is in the description as well. So make sure you go check out theft block. You can order that directly from their website or give us a call and we can arrange all of that for you as well. But yeah, 10% off right now guys, CBS10, that's all in the description. But yeah, really cool bit of kit. And that is another layer of protecting your car, and it's also quite a nice looking box that can sit inside your house and protect your vehicle as another layer of protection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Plus, if you're interested in having something like this installed from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, please get in contact with us. All of our contact details is in the description below. But thank you again so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.